Now that we know the difference between broadcast and wait, let's see how we can apply it to our dodgeball game. So now, currently our dodgeball game is as follows. As soon as the ball touches the cat, then the cat says game over. Now, instead of having the cat say game over before everything is stopped, what I would like to do is have broadcast a game over, and then that message would be broadcast to the stage, and the stage will change to a different background, one that says game over, and also the cat will receive that game over message, and the cat will switch to a game over costume. So let's first replace this say game over. And what do you think it's going to be? Are we going to choose a broadcast or a broadcast and wait? Well, if you said broadcast and wait, you're correct, because we're going to have to wait until the background changes to its game over background, and for the cat to change to its game over costume. So with those two events, we have to wait for them to happen before we stop everything. So we have to wait before we execute this stop all command. And I'm actually going to change this to a game over message. Now we have as soon as the ball is touched, the broadcast game over message will be sent. The cat will receive that message. When I receive game over, the cat is going to switch to a different costume. Let's make another costume, and we'll call this the game over costume. And I'm going to edit it somewhat. Let's see, I'll remove the main body, and I'll change the color, and I'm going to put a couple of, change that to a red. And a couple of X's there. Okay. So the cat is going to switch to the game. When I receive game over, it's going to switch to the other costume. Switch to costume, game over. So as you notice, right now the current costume is the game over costume. I could go up to costumes here and I could switch the costumes, so the cat goes back to its original costume. But what's going to happen here is I press the green flag, start the game, and there we go, and the cat switches back to the game, or switches to the game over costume. But when I restart the game again, the cat is still wearing that game over costume. So we got to make sure that when we start the game, that the cat is actually in the first costume. So let's go up to our looks, and when the green flag is clicked, when the game starts, let's switch to the game costume, which is this one right here. So let's try that again, and there we go. The game is over, and the cat has switched to its game over costume. And try it again, and there we go.